like where that fire extinguisher is.
So if we line it up with the blue building across the street.
Yep.
And this was where the sewer line we talked about comes through. So they put a new tap, I guess, whatever you want to call it, into the sewer line, so we can climb down into the large sewer main. Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
So it'll come from the building and drop into here and connect to the sewer main.
Okay. Excellent.
This was excavated, what, about 15 feet down or so?
Yeah, it was a fairly deep
a week or so ago.
Way down.
Yep. So if we
Just
continue
a
on. Again, there's going to be a carport area over here on the left.
Okay.
Find out where these two structures are here. It goes along.
How many cars might that carport area?
That's for police cruisers. So it's 12, yeah.
Okay.
Undercover.
Undercover.
All right.
And the line of the fence line is about where that structure is when you'd be entering a secure area behind the station. Deceiving on the site plan.
Okay.
And again, this is going to be the police department side. It sits about 3 feet lower than the fire station. In between the two is going to be a little courtyard.
Want to explain, Scott, what you guys are doing next week with this, or no?
So the material here on site are going to be crushed and repurposed and remain on site. We're going to try to remove as little material as possible, bring in as little. It's all going to be crushed and spread as general fill. Again, this area has to, so this is going to be a 3-foot difference. We have to bring this area up quite a bit. Where these structures are over here, we actually have to bring them up about 4 feet. So we've got to use quite a bit of fill.
Are there drainage issues on this site?
No, we're putting in some new drainage structures. It's going to flow very nicely. Everything, the soils are very compatible for this. We're not having any drainage issues. Everything's going to be nice. All new pipes, new structures.
So maybe you could explain to the subcommittee what's happening with this whole pile of rocks and concrete and all this, because we're going to talk about the crushers and whatnot later. So then they'll get an idea of what's going to happen with this stuff.
All this material is going to get crushed and reused on site. We're going to have a crushing machine here next week. We're probably going to run for about 3 days, just crushing this down into smaller materials, and it's going to be spread out and use the general fill. We have a lot of elevations we have to fill for. So like over here, in this right behind Chief Brown, we have to come up about 4 feet. So this is going to all get repurposed.
And I apologize for making you say it again.
No, all good.
I had a side conversation. I didn't realize you talked about the crusher. So I wanted them to know what's coming in.
So a lot of this material here that's in this pile was from the existing buildings, the existing slabs, the frost walls, the footings. It was all just removed, crushed up, and going to be mixed in with the different soils.
A good use of recycled material.
Yeah. Well, and also we don't have to buy fill to come in. We've got it.
Right.
We're just going to make our own, so and reuse it. So that's good.
Yeah, it's a real efficient use of the materials.
Yeah.
Yeah, and again, there's going to be a little courtyard here that separates the police and the fire station in the back. It's going to be one continuous flow in the front.
Is the courtyard going to be at the level of the FD or the PD?
It's at the FD. So there's going to be a small stair that you walk up to.
But the training tower is pretty much right here.
Right, exactly.
Right in this area.
Right back here.
Yeah, right in this
Far
general
back.
area where we're
Yeah.
standing.
Okay. And this far back from the street.
Right.
Okay. So that's not going to be real imposing or anything. It looks like. So that's
Probably just walk up to where the machines are. We can look out at the rest.
Sure.
So then when they get snow removal, there's a whole pile of snow in the back.